Lesson: Societal implications of blockchain governance policies. Blockchain governance policies have become a pivotal topic of discussion as blockchain technology increasingly permeates various sectors. This lesson explores the societal implications of these policies, offering actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks for professionals aiming to navigate this complex domain effectively. Blockchain governance refers to the frameworks and rules that dictate how blockchain networks are managed, how decisions are made, and how conflicts are resolved. The societal implications of these policies are profound, influencing transparency, accountability, inclusivity, and the distribution of power within digital ecosystems. One of the most significant societal implications of blockchain governance policies is the potential for enhanced transparency and accountability. Blockchain's decentralized nature theoretically allows for more transparent decision-making processes, as every transaction and decision can be recorded and verified on the blockchain. This transparency is crucial in building trust among stakeholders, as it reduces the potential for corruption and manipulation. For instance, the use of smart contracts in public procurement can significantly reduce the risk of fraud by ensuring that all actions are recorded and cannot be altered without consensus. To implement this in practice, professionals can utilize tools like Ethereum's smart contract platform, which provides a robust framework for developing self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. However, the transparency offered by blockchain also raises concerns regarding privacy and data protection. As transactions are publicly visible, there is a risk that sensitive information could be exposed. To address this challenge, professionals can employ privacy-focused blockchain frameworks such as Zcash or Monero, which use advanced cryptographic techniques to ensure that transaction details remain confidential while maintaining the integrity and security of the blockchain. By integrating such privacy-preserving technologies, blockchain governance policies can balance the need for transparency with the protection of individual privacy rights. Inclusivity is another crucial societal implication of blockchain governance policies. Blockchain has the potential to democratize access to financial services and digital assets, offering opportunities to populations traditionally excluded from such systems. For example, decentralized finance platforms can provide financial services without the need for intermediaries, thereby lowering the barriers to entry for individuals in developing regions. To foster inclusivity, professionals can leverage frameworks like the Cello platform, which focuses on providing mobile-first solutions to reach underserved populations with low-cost financial services. By implementing such frameworks, blockchain governance can promote financial inclusion and empower marginalized communities. Nevertheless, the decentralized nature of blockchain can also lead to challenges in achieving consensus and coordination among a diverse set of stakeholders. Without a centralized authority, decision-making processes can become cumbersome and inefficient, potentially leading to deadlock or fragmentation. To address these challenges, professionals can adopt governance models such as liquid democracy, which combines direct and representative democracy to allow stakeholders to delegate their voting power to trusted representatives while retaining the ability to vote directly on issues of personal importance. By implementing liquid democracy frameworks, blockchain governance policies can enhance decision-making efficiency while ensuring that all stakeholders have a voice in the process. The distribution of power within blockchain ecosystems is another critical societal consideration. In traditional systems, power tends to be concentrated in the hands of a few entities, leading to potential abuses and inequalities. Blockchain has the potential to decentralize power, distributing it more equitably among participants. However, power dynamics within blockchain networks are influenced by factors such as token ownership and consensus mechanisms. For instance, proof-of-stake systems, while more energy efficient than proof-of-work systems, can lead to concentration of power among those with substantial token holdings. To mitigate this risk, professionals can explore alternative consensus mechanisms like proof of authority or delegated proof of stake, which aim to balance efficiency with equitable power distribution. By carefully considering and implementing these mechanisms, blockchain governance policies can promote a more equitable distribution of power within digital ecosystems. Societal implications also extend to regulatory and compliance challenges. As blockchain technology disrupts traditional industries, it often operates in a legal gray area, posing challenges for regulators seeking to ensure compliance while fostering innovation. To address these challenges, professionals can employ frameworks like the Global Blockchain Business Council's Regulatory Sandbox model, which allows for the testing of blockchain applications in a controlled environment under the supervision of regulatory authorities. By utilizing regulatory sandboxes, blockchain governance policies can facilitate compliance while allowing for the safe exploration of innovative applications. Furthermore, blockchain governance policies must consider the ethical implications of technology deployment. Ethical considerations include ensuring that blockchain technologies do not exacerbate existing inequalities or contribute to environmental degradation. For instance, the energy consumption of POW blockchain networks has raised concerns about their environmental impact. To address these concerns, professionals can advocate for the adoption of more sustainable consensus mechanisms, such as POS or POA, which require less computational power and energy. By prioritizing sustainability and ethical considerations, blockchain governance policies can contribute to a more socially responsible deployment of technology. In conclusion, the societal implications of blockchain governance policies are multifaceted, impacting transparency, accountability, inclusivity, power distribution, regulatory compliance, and ethical considerations. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks such as smart contracts, privacy-preserving technologies, inclusive platforms, liquid democracy, alternative consensus mechanisms, regulatory sandboxes, and sustainable practices, professionals can navigate these challenges effectively. These strategies not only enhance the proficiency of blockchain governance, but also ensure that blockchain technologies are deployed in a manner that benefits society as a whole. As the blockchain landscape continues to evolve, ongoing engagement with these societal implications will be crucial in shaping governance policies that promote a more equitable and sustainable digital future.